Macadamia, Deep Repair Therapy. Start by shampooing the hair thoroughly to remove buildup. Gently towel dry the hair, leaving it damp for product application. Apply SOS fluid evenly throughout the hair and leave it to process for 10 minutes. Next, apply mask SOS evenly through the hair. Cover with a shower cap and leave it to process for 20 minutes. Without rinsing the product, blow dry the hair completely for heat activation. Rinse the product thoroughly and apply Alto Impact. Mix the mask in 1:2 ratio. Example for 10 milliliters mask, mix 20 milliliters water. Finally, blast dry and style the hair as desired.